Hello, my name is Louis Haywood from Sparta Technologies based in Manchester.
My name is Zoe Chowdhury and I'm the CEO and founder of Sparta Technologies.
We have developed a community mobile banking platform to help the financially excluded.
And what we've tried to do is to produce a platform that helps the marginalised join the mainstream with a financial platform, at the same time to allow businesses to interact with them through the ability to be able to market their sales, their products, their services. In 2013, Manchester produced the Manchester Poverty Report, which stated that there were about 8.8 million people throughout the UK that were in debt. The banking system wasn't working for them, and many of them were actually marginalised and penalised by banks with excessive charges, hidden fees.
Sparta offers a non-penalty based service, lower fees to merchants, and the ability to market themselves through our platform.
And the ability for the people who are socially marginalised to be able to join the mainstream of the digital revolution. Our community banking platform also fits well within the non-net social responsibility agenda, and it also will give great credibility with investors in the future.
Thank you for viewing our video.